Hello and welcome. Today I have a pepper grinder. It's not that I need a pepper grinder. I have a real nice electric grinder that I use all the time, but this harkens back to old days where you ask for a little pepper on your salad in a fine restaurant. This is a 20-inch black walnut old-fashioned pepper grinder. Let me show you what's in the box. Comes nicely packaged. It has a little manual, which I found interesting. Yes, I've had this open already. So the first impression is real nice. There's no scratches, no dings. It's all finished completely. I like it a lot. The little brass fitting on the top unscrews easily enough, and this comes off. And this is where the pepper goes, in there. We are going to put pepper. I want to show you this. This is kind of interesting. This is how I keep my peppercorns. I keep them in a vacuum container to try to, and in a dark pantry, just to try to keep them just as fresh as I can. They're very fresh, and they're not young. Thought I'd share that with you. And then the peppercorns go in here. If you're not going to use it a lot, if you're just doing it for like a special occasion, then just put a few in, and then you don't have all these peppercorns in there, getting old. They can be in here and be staying fresh. So then there's a little metal piece up here, and that has to fit on the shaft there, and that's what does the grinding. And then there's this top piece that you just screw in. Now, this is an important piece because it's how much you twist this is how big your ground pepper is going to be. So if this is real loose, then this part down here is going to be a little wider. And the tighter you screw that, the smaller the grinds are. And I'll show you that right now. Okay, so I got it just barely tight. And we grind it by spinning it clockwise. And you can see how big those are. And, some people like a coarse grind. But if you tighten this even further, then this gets harder to turn. And the only reason why it's harder to turn is it's grinding a little tighter. And you'll see that's a lot finer grind than the first one. So if you want a medium, of course, you can back it off just a little. There you go. So as you can see, that works nice. It's gonna look nice on the table. I'm happy with it. I like it. I think I'm gonna use it. I think you'll like it too. Thank you for watching.